Sige. So like what I've said last week, we're going to have our first performance task, and this is about this formatting, or in other words, magre-reformat tayo ng computer or ng laptop. Since hindi naman natin pwedeng i-reformat yung laptop na ginagamit natin, which is issued ng DepEd, so gagamit tayo ng third-party application, which is Oracle VM VirtualBox. So, itong Oracle VM VirtualBox, so this is the interface wherein it allows us to install another operating system, or it allows us to format this without affecting yung existing na naka-install na operating system dito sa laptop. Kung i-recall natin yung tungkol or yung description about this formatting, di ba, ang sabi is we are clearing everything. Okay, i-delete natin lahat ng naka-install, lahat ng naka-save na files dito sa device na i-reformat natin, including the operating system. But with the help of third-party application, which is Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, it allows us to install another operating system nang hindi naapektuhan yung mismong operating system na ginagamit natin. Nagkaintindihan? Okay. So this time, ang gagawin natin is mag-create tayo ng account. Ay, by the way, bago tayo mag-proceed sa procedure, so habang nagdadiscuss ako ng procedure, ang gagawin nyo is mag-take down notes kayo ng sarili nyong procedure para makapag-create kayo ng flowchart, which is part ng PETA. Okay? Sige, get your notebook first. Okay, so meron na akong nagawa na itong Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Magkikreate kayo ng account. So, bakit kayo magkikreate ng account? Kasi hindi lang naman kayo ang gagamit ng laptop. May iba pang bata, may iba pang section. And para ma-identify ko na rin na itong file na to is sa inyo. Kayo ang nag-install, kayo ang nag-format. So, para makapag-create ng account gamit itong VirtualBox Manager, click nyo lang itong new. And then, magsiset kayo ng name. So, dito sa Virtual Machine Name and Operating System, ilalagay nyo is yung mismong pangalan nyo para madali ko ma-identify na itong operating system na naka-install is kayo ang gumawa. So, for example, Ericel Bianca. So, yung folder location, as is na siya, wala na kayong papalitan. Pero itong ISO image, so, ito yung papalitan natin or kailangan natin i-locate yung mismong operating system na Windows 10. So, we have the Windows 10 operating system. Okay? So, click open lang. By the way, yung installer ng operating system, kailangan naka-ISO siya. So, kapag naka-download kayo ng operating system na Windows, it should be .iso yung file type niya. So, ISO image. Ay, hindi nakikita. So, right after, ma-set up yung name, yung folder, yung ISO, don't forget to click or to tick the skip unattended installation. Okay? So, i-click nyo yan. Then, click next. So this time, so here, yung hardware, you can modify virtual machine hardware by changing amount of RAM and virtual CPU count. So you have to configure yung mismong RAM na gagamitin natin for this operating system. So pwede nyo siyang i-adjust higher dun sa default. Adjust nyo lang siya, any size, pwede. Same thing with the processor. So for example, so isa-set natin siya ng 3 and then click next. So here, pwede nyo siyang i-adjust higher than the default, which is 50 GB. Pero since sample lang naman siya, so pwedeng babaan natin or as is na lang 50. Para walang maging So yan. Then click next. Finish. Okay? So right after na ma-set up natin yung account natin dito sa VirtualBox and ma-set up natin yung operating system na Windows 10, so the next step is click natin itong start button. So, kapag kinik natin yung start button, may mag-a-appear dyan, may magpa-pop up na Windows. So, kapag nag-pop up yung Windows, i-click nyo agad yung F12. Okay? So, merong option dito. So, ito yung tinatawag na VirtualBox Temporary Boot Device Selection. So, in this option, so, boot the computer using the bootable Windows installation disk from the location. So, for example, mapapansin nyo may mga option dyan. So, for example, nandito yung hard disk drive, nandito yung floppy disk, CD-ROM, LAN. Okay? So, in real world, kunwari, nag-reformat na talaga kayo ng computer. And yung installer nyo ng OS nakasave sa USB. So, makikita dito sa option yung USB kapag ka naka-insert sa ito-format yung device. So, ang pipiliin yung location or memory is USB since nandoon yung operating system. And let's say kapag ka naman yung mismo installer ng OS nyo is nasa hard disk, So, obviously, ang pipiliin nating option is yung hard disk para iyon yung babasahin ni computer. And andoon yung operating system. Doon na kasi. And since wala rito na already set up na yung Windows operating system, so this time, ang pipiliin nating option is letter D. Yung continue booting. So actually, pwede natin siya i-maximize para big screen yung ating makikita. So medyo matagal siya. It takes an hour. Okay? Or more than, depende sa bilis ng device na ipo-format nyo. So after ma-boot up natin yung location ng operating system, yung installer ng operating system, ang next step is to choose the language. Okay? So ang language naman natin, ang default na ginagamit is US. Ito yung universal language. Wala namang Tagalog. Ang pangit naman tignan kung yung mismong language na gamit natin sa device, Tagalog, di ba? Kahit ang pinaka mother tongue natin is Tagalog or Filipino. So, ang hirap naman kung yung direction, yung mga instruction na nakikita natin sa device, Tagalog, mahirap, di ba? So, nasanay tayo sa universal language which is yung English or US. So, as is na siya, wala na kayong papalitan. Click next button, then click button install now. So here, the next step, so yung mismong installer, hihingan kayo ng product key or license key. So since we don't have the product key or license, so skip natin yung procedure by clicking the I don't have a product key. So later on, kung magkaroon man kayo ng license or product key, pwede nyo pa naman siyang i-enter. So right after, ang next step is pipili tayo ng operating system. Ito yung different version ng operating system na pwede natin i-install dito sa device. Pero ang gagamitin natin for demonstration is Windows 10 boot. Then, click next. So right after, so we have to accept the license agreement. So kung may time kayo, pwede nyo siyang basahin para maging aware kayo kung ano ba yung mga terms and condition ng paggamit ng Microsoft Windows. Then, after mabasa, click nyo lang tong I accept the license term. Then, click button next. So, we have two types of installation. Okay? So, you have to choose it's either upgrade or custom. So, what is the difference between upgrade and then custom? So, kapag sinabi nating upgrade, so from the word itself, upgrade, so meaning you have the existing operating system na naka-install dito sa device, and then kapag pinili natin itong option na upgrade, meaning, ano ibig sabihin? I-upgrade lang. Mag-update lang tayo ng OS ng bagong version. Or, let's say, from Windows 10, i-upgrade natin siya into Windows 11. So, something like that. So, marerating niya yung mga documents, yung mga files, application na naka-install doon sa device. Hindi siya madidelete. So, itong custom naman, i-install natin yung bagong operating system. Nagkaintindihan? So, at this time, ang pipiliin natin sa option is yung install Windows only. So, dito, mag-a-allocate tayo ng memory, hard disk drive. So, in this part, pwede tayong mag-create ng partition. Pwede tayong mag-create ng drive D. Okay, di ba we have the local disk C? So, pwede tayong mag-create ng another partition, which is drive D. So, later part of this discussion, tinuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-create ng partition. So, skip muna natin yung pag-create ng partition. So, as is muna tayo kung ano yung default na memory, yun muna yung gagamitin natin. So, wala mo nang gagalawin dito sa part na to. Click lang natin yung next button. And then, ayan, we have to wait sa process na to, which is yung installing Windows. Medyo matagal siya. Okay? Medyo matagal yung procedure, lalo na itong second itong second part na getting files ready for installation. So, kailangan nating maghintay na umabot itong percentage ng 100 bago mag-proceed sa installing features, updates, and finishing up. So, ito lang yung medyo matagal. So, actually, ito yung pinaka-important part ng process kasi ito na yung pag-i-install ng operating system. Then, the rest is yung pag-configure na lang ng settings. So, natapos na yung getting files ready for installation. Napansin nyo tuloy-tuloy na yung installing. Then after, Windows needs to restart to continue. So, it's either hintayin nyo yung procedure na to or restart now. So, makikita nyo, press F12 to select boot device and press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Wala ko kayong pipindutin dyan. Kasi kapag nag-press kayo ng any key, babalik kayo sa unang step. Uulit lang kayo. So, kapag nakita nyo yung ganong instruction na press F12 or press any key from keyboard, wala kayong pipindutin. Again, may nag-appear na naman na press any key or press F12, wala kayong pipindutin.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Okay. So, kung merong option na Philippines, piliin natin yung Philippines. Hanapin lang natin. Region. Kasi dito sa region na to, dito masiset automatic yung date and time natin. Ito, Philippines. Then click yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yung settings ng keyboard natin, default na siya as US. So, wala namang ano dito other option. Or wala naman tayo pwedeng ano dito. So, para maging safe, default na yung gamitin natin, which is yung US. Click yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
So, syempre, meron ba kayong sarili yung keyboard layout? Kung meron, pwede yung i-add dito. If wala, skip.
Now we have some important setup to do.
So, sa procedure ng installation or pag-reformat ng computer, hindi kayo maliligaw. Kasi, meron dong parang mga kung ano yung gagawin, ano yung kailangang data na i-set up, then, click lang yung button na next para mag-proceed sa next procedure. Ganun lang. So, hindi siya komplikado na kailangang maglagay
Sit back and relax while we work our magic.
ng mga code, etc. And yung mga direction naman.
Please don't turn off your device. Still setting things up. Thanks for your patience. Please don't turn off your device. Okay, we got through this part of setup. Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
Okay, so this time, kinakailangan nyo ng account. It's either yung Gmail account nyo, phone number, or yung binigay na Office 365. So, let's see, ang i-enter ko is yung aking Office 365 account. At ncr1.deped.gov.ph. Ay, hindi ko yan i-enter pala. Sige nga, try na natin kung i-accept. Then, click next. Ayaw. Different account. So, try ko yung DepEd account ko. Ayaw pa rin. Gmail. Try ko yung Gmail ko, ha. Ayan, in-accept yung Gmail. So, mag-create kayo ng password.
Want to set up a PIN?
Then, create the PIN. Yung mismong security password ng device. So, any PIN. So, pwedeng mag-include ng letters and symbols. So, ako, ang ginagawa kong password is may kasama siyang capital letter, small letter, numbers, and symbols. Then, click OK. Then, always have access to your recent browsing data. Okay, not now muna for this time.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready.
Okay, so we have to review yung mga settings, default settings, kung okay sa inyo. Then, if okay na, accept lang yung button.
Based on the activities you choose here, you'll get a personalized experience as you set up your device.
So, pwede kayong pumili kung ano yung mga settings or yung usually, ano ba yung purpose ng inyong computer. So, pwede nyo i-select or pwede hindi na mag-select, depende sa inyo.
We can work some magic so you can use your Android phone from your PC, make calls, send text messages, use your mobile apps, and more. If this sounds useful, we'll send you a reminder to finish setting up your phone app.
Okay, click lang natin yung remind me later.
You subscribe to Microsoft 365, so let's set it up on your device.
So, decline lang muna natin for this time. Decline. Decline. Since hindi naman tayo mag-a-avail lang 100...
With Xbox Game Pass, you can play a library of games right on your PC. Would you like to join?
No thanks. Kasi may bayad siya eh. May fee. So, no thanks muna. Okay. Congratulations! So, mapapansin nyo, successfully installed yung operating system. So, bukod dito sa operating system na naka-install sa akin, Okay? With the help of VirtualBox, nakapag-install tayo ng isa pang operating system which is Windows 10. So mapapansin nyo, yung Windows 10, yung mismong Windows icon, itong start button, nasa left bottom side. Ito siya. Yung Windows 11 naman, parang nasa malapit na sa center. Nagkaininihan, ito siya. Then yung mismong may parang notification about the weather, nandito. So nakikita nyo yung difference. Ito kasi naka-install sa akin na OS is Windows 11. And then yung in-install nating operating system dito sa VirtualBox is Windows 10. So lahat ng function ng Windows 10 gagana pa din dito. Lahat ng default application, let's say, hanapin natin yung calculator. Andito siya. Nandito yung Paint. Ayan. So lahat, possible dito. So pwede din tayo mag-install dito ng other application. Pero since hindi na necessary kasi this is for demonstration only. So para lang ma-apply natin yung procedure kung paano mag-reformat ng computer, so ito yung ginamit natin. Pero yung function ng Windows 10 as is, yun yung procedure. Then yung mismong version ng Windows 10, yung mga default application, na makikita nyo lahat dito. So pwede kayong mag-roll in dyan, etc. Pwedeng mag-browse, for example, ito. So nakikita nyo naman doon, ginagamit ko yung in-install natin Windows 10 gamit itong VirtualBox. So, ibig sabihin, functional siya. So, ganun siya kadali.